welcome back. My name is Hedy and I post the delicious and nutritious and easy recipes. Today is no different. We're going to be making easy chia pudding. If you've never tried chia seeds before, how? They are basically little speckly black and grey things full of good stuff. You can use them for your baking. If you mix them with water, you can replace them in baking for eggs. You can use them in chia puddings. You can put them in your smoothies. The varieties are endless. What they do, when you mix them with liquid, they soak up all this liquid and create this lovely thick gel, which then obviously can be turned into puddings, but can be put into your bakes. Today we are making pudding version, so slightly sweet but very, very delicious. So let's get started. So we're gonna start first with chia seeds. I'm using these super cheap ones from Aldi, and what we need is approximately 1/4 of a cup, or I would say 3 tablespoons. Get yourself a nice medium size, not super big but not super small bowl, and then put 3 tablespoons or 1/4 of a cup in your bowl. So 1, 2, 3. That's it. That's the first ingredient is in. Then next up is milk. I'm using my own homemade oat milk, but you can use almond milk, rice milk, soya milk, normal traditional milk. I just love oat milk and I like making my own one. This is 1 cup or approximately 250 milliliters. So put that in. Beautiful. Next ingredient is vanilla extract. I like to add a bit of a sweet, warm vanilla just to make it just tiny bit better. We need 1 teaspoon. Lovely. Next ingredient is yogurt. I love Oatly. If you don't know Oatly, it's a fantastic oat-based yogurt. Tastes like Greek yogurt to me when I'm used to eat them. It's lovely and thick, and we need approximately, this is the texture. It's so nice, and we need 1 tablespoon. The reason why we add yogurt is to make it a bit more creamy. So 1 heaped tablespoon, delicious. And then last but not least is maple syrup. Now, if you don't have maple syrup, you can use date syrup, you can use raw honey, you can use coconut nectar, anything you like. And I don't like it super sweet, so for me a teaspoon is fine. But if you have a major sweet tooth, put a bit more. So 1 teaspoon of maple syrup. That's it, that's all we need. If you wanted to, you could add a cinnamon. Cinnamon and vanilla extract is a beautiful combination. But for today's video, we're just leaving it simple. Now, one big thing you have to remember, you have to mix your chia seeds very well. I've got this nifty little whisker, and you need to give it a good whisk. You can use a fork if you don't have a whisker, and give it a good, really make sure they are all covered. Now, once it's all mixed well, this will go into your fridge for overnight or minimum 5 hours. But what you need to do is to give it 1 more mix. So you're gonna put it in the fridge, wait 10 minutes, do your makeup, go to the bathroom, whatever you want to, then come back to it, give it another mix, and then you're gonna leave it for 5 hours. To do that, well, while we're doing that, is to avoid any clumps, because nobody likes the clumps in the chia pudding or in any of the puddings. That 1 little extra whisk is making it more creamy, delicious, clump-free, and just lovely. So this is what we're looking for. Now off we go to the fridge. In 10 minutes time, we give it 1 more whisk. And then I'll see you in the morning. Now in the morning, you are going to be left with this lovely creamy texture. So nice. And what you could do is basically, let's have a bit of a taste test first. That's so yummy. So you could eat it like that. You could perk it up, chop up some strawberries, put it on top, a little bit of chocolate drizzle, extra maple syrup. But what I'm going to show you is a breakfast you can take to work. So what you're going to need is a jar. I'm using my traditional peanut butter jar. So it's got a screw lid on and you can take it with you. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start a layering. I've got some muesli here. So what you're going to do, you're going to put a couple of tablespoons in here. You can use granola. I've got an amazing peanut butter or chocolate granola here on my channel. Approximately like 2.5. Okay. Now we're going to layer in the chia pudding. Now we're going to get a nice juicy strawberry. Chop the end off. And slice it up. Put that in. And to give it a bit of a crunch, let's crush up in some walnuts. Look at that. Delicious. Cup of walnuts. And there you go. Here is your gorgeous breakfast on the go. So what we've done, we put some granola and muesli, chia pudding, strawberries and walnuts. Now all is left, put the lid on and have it ready for work. Or as I said, you can just top it up. You could put all of this in your bowl and top it up. So hopefully you like my easy chia pudding. If you would like, please subscribe to my channels. All my recipes are simple, easy and delicious, and I will see you next time.